Hi, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft, Chico, California. And I've got my young birds out here on about a 35-mile toss from their loft. I'm out in some farmland out here. There's looks like it's mainly open land with a walnut orchard, a young walnut orchard coming up here. You can see there's some barns over here. I just pulled off the road here. Well, I'm getting ready to turn them loose. You guys ready to go, huh? You guys ready to rock and roll? Well, come on, let's go. Come on. Get along, little doggies, get along. Pick it up, kids. Ooh. Oh, they're over off the side of the road. Now let the next group go. Okay, let's get it on. They're taking a little different route than the first ones. And that's okay, they'll all get together. Ooh, having a little trouble coordinating their wings, it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's hot during the day. There they go. Wow, look at them. Those guys are moving out. I'll let this next batch out. Come on, guys. You ready to rock and roll? Come on. You better play catch up, kids. I think you can still see them. I'm not sure. I can't tell in this. Yeah, there they go. They're heading out in the direction pretty fast, faster than they've done the first few times, but they seem to be getting their bearings a lot quicker. Yeah, man, they're off. They are off and running. Well, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft. Until the next toss. Bye-bye.